Come to Ajaxy. We have created a new plugin called Ajaxy PayPal for Ultimate Member. This allows you to get paid membership through PayPal for Ultimate Member. We will go through the setup and how it works and everything that the plugin offers features. I'll just log into my local host. Okay, so as soon as you enable the plugin, you go to Ultimate Member and you will find subscriptions and plans. You go to plans, or let's go to settings first to activate the plugin. So in the settings, you'll find a tab, add your license, redirect page. Which page should it redirect when you log in? For example, this would be a protected page. So I created membership page here and we'll go through this later. Which one would require a subscription? For example, if the person logs in and he gets a subscriber role, then he's required to buy a membership. So each of these can be hooked, except the administrator here, because it will lock you out if I do that. For subscription, if the user is in the account, he will redirect to the membership. If he's user in his public page, he will also be redirected to the membership page, or he's in the dashboard. Which one you want, you can select and select, depends on. PayPal, sandbox or live. We can start with the sandbox, test it out, and then go to live. Client ID, client secrets, you can get these from PayPal. PayPal is simple, like you only need to create an app and get the ID and the secret from there. From the live production, of course, you need to verify the business and everything. That's up to you how to do that with PayPal. So this is how to add the settings for the plugin. Now we're gonna go to pages. We're gonna create a membership page. It's an easy page, okay? So we can create, this is like the shortcodes that's provided with the plugin, okay? The subscription title, subscriptions, and one plan, one by one. So you can customize. We'll see this, how does it look later. Now we go to Ultimate Member, go to plans. I've created 2 plans. Okay, title, plan ID. This is the plan ID you get from PayPal. Okay, this is a sandbox plan ID, but this is also needs to be changed once you go live. You need to update this plan ID once you go live with the live plans. Okay, a label for the price, the billing cycle. This must match what PayPal have. So if the plan is one time, this have to be one time. If the plan is monthly, you need to step in and say monthly or yearly, etc., etc. User role after subscription. So let's say a person subscribe to this plan. What happens? He will become an administrator. Of course, you should not like move him to administrator. I think you should create another role. For example, let's say VIP user or premium user, etc., whatever like you need. And based on that, you show him content or not content, or videos, or he have access to some aspect of your website. Once he cancels, he will go back to being a subscriber or an author or an editor. Features, this is for content. Also there is here, you can add content as much as you want, and they appear both. The button style, the shape, the color, the layout, the label. Each is provided via PayPal, so you cannot only select your own color, you can only select the colors that are applicable to PayPal buttons. Now I'll showcase how it looks like so we can understand. Now let's log in. So once I log in, you will see that I have been redirected to the membership page. I have one time, I have monthly, and of course you can have yearly also here. These plans are created in PayPal and they are linked each one to its respective plan in PayPal. So I will show you the customization options before we move to somewhere else. So for example, one-time plan, which is this one. So let's say I change to blue. Here. There it is. Okay. If I go to change to silver, comes silver, okay, etc, gold. You have a pill shape, rectangle shape, vertical. You can have these ones. These options cannot be changed and customized as you like. It's just they come from PayPal. So this is our one-time plan, okay, which is shown here. Okay, second step, you can try to subscribe. Subscribing, done. Now I'm subscribed. Look at subscriptions. I have one time, active, cancel or suspend the subscription as I want. And my next billing is in November 17, 2026, because I subscribed to 1 year, which is this one. I can also cancel, suspend. If I cancel, then it's cancelled. In the back end also you have subscriptions and you can see all the data. You can also see PayPal information. This information comes from PayPal directly, so they requires codes and everything to inside. So this is the full plugin, and it manages everything from A to Z, and you can select as much plans as you want. There's no limits. And let's see how we can customize a little bit. Show you the shortcodes. Membership here. For example, this is the title. Okay, so here this is our subscription title, this is the list of subscriptions, and this is one subscription. So there's an ID here, which of course it can be taken from here, from the plans. This is the ID if you want to show a single plan. This is if you want to show them all. Exclude assets is important. If you have the shortcut running a couple of times, like subscriptions and subscription, that means you will include PayPal scripts a couple of times. This causes some issues. It's better to exclude assets on one of them. So if you loaded this one or this one, this can be here or here. Or if you load several plans, so one of them must have exclude assets. All of them must have exclude assets except one, which should load the scripts. So this is fully the app. This is one plan. This is the full plans. Thank you, and we hope you like this plugin.